What if the world you saw was always blurry, incomplete, or restricted? For over 350 million people with low vision, it's everyday life. Low vision is a condition where a person's sight cannot be fully corrected by glasses, contact lenses, or surgery. It affects daily activities like reading, recognizing faces, and even walking safely. There are three primary types of low vision: central vision loss, peripheral vision loss, blurry or hazy vision. Central vision loss affects the ability to see details, making reading and recognizing faces difficult. Peripheral vision loss narrows the field of view, creating a tunnel-like effect and limiting awareness of surroundings. Blurry or hazy vision blurs the entire field, making it hard to focus on anything clearly. Most of the existing assistive devices are priced exorbitantly, making them out of reach for the majority of those in need. These challenges rob people of their independence. But what if technology could bring it back? Introducing Aura Vision Glasses, an affordable and innovative solution from SHG Technologies. These sleek AR-enabled glasses transform how individuals with low vision see the world. For central vision loss, the image from the camera is magnified and displayed in the glasses. This helps the user to read text more effectively, recognize faces better, and discern better detail overall. For peripheral vision loss, the image from the wide-angle camera is fit into the visible field of view of the user. This helps the user to be aware of their surroundings at all times. For blurry and hazy vision, the image obtained from the camera is sharpened and displayed on the glasses. On top of that, we give the user full access to customize the image to suit their needs on the go, with adjustable sliders for contrast, sharpness, and zoom. On top of this, there is a dedicated reading mode that maximizes the contrast to display text as black on white or white on black to make reading easier. Whether it's reading a book, identifying road signs, or recognizing loved ones, the Aura Vision glasses adapt to each user's needs, helping them lead more independent lives.